What's up, you guys? This is Tim Trevor, the Diecast Collective. Tonight, depending on what part of the world you find, we're doing a short. You wonder why this short is? Okay, I'll explain a video here in a few, but I just want to let y'all know the reason why I'm only going to put one car in the description box. On the other side of this break, we will talk about what you see in front. So if you like this, something that I'm getting ready to start doing next week or the following week after next. It's going to be dropping every other Tuesday. If you like all this stuff and more, stay tuned. Just like I always tell you, subscribe, all that good stuff. It helps out the algorithm of YouTube, but it also helps me out to know that y'all liked it and share and care about it. But wait, there's more on the break. We will talk more about what you see. Till next time, we're out.